Assalamu alaikum friends, welcome to my channel Healthcare. My today topic is about your skin. Now it's a big problem that how we know about our skin type. So my today topic is determine your skin type. It's crucial to know your skin type. Why? Simple. A routine that's suitable for dry skin will not work as effective for oily skin. To figure out the best teenage skincare products that will work for you, determine your skin type. Number one, normal skin usually has a smooth and soft texture. Your pores are tight and the skin's surface neither feels dry nor greasy. Oily skin looks shiny, pores are open, and the skin excess sebum. Dry skin, flaky, dull, not so smooth, and often itchy. The outer layer of the skin sheds abnormally. Combination skin, extremely oily, T-zone, while other parts of the face are dry. Cheeks may appear dry and rough, while other parts feel oily. Sensitive skin, looks red and often gets irritated, itchy, or inflamed. Once you know your skin type, you can determine which products are the best to include in your skin or routine for teens. For instance, if you have dry skin, avoid using soaps as your cleanser. Use a gel type and mild cleanser and avoid excessive scrubbing and washing. Avoid frequently touching your face. Before you touch your face or apply your makeup, it's best to wash your hands first. Keep in mind that each time you touch your face, you are spreading dirt, oil, bacteria that can turn into a breakout. Most importantly, avoid picking at your pimples. Whenever you touch, squeeze, or pop up pimples, you can spread infection, cause further inflammation, and damage your skin tissue. If you ever suffer from acne, include spot treatment in your skincare routine. Spot treatment with benzoyl peroxide is often touted as one of the best teenage skincare products for treating acne. You can consult a dermatologist before seeking anti-acne medication. Well-balanced diet of skincare. Follow a well-balanced diet. Eat a balanced diet consisting of fruits and green vegetables. Avoid consuming sugary items and oily food that can aggravate your skin conditions. This includes chocolates and fried chickens. Also, try to avoid dairy products like cow's milk. You can opt for oat milk, soy milk, or almond milk. Reduce stress. Skincare routine for teenagers isn't just solely focused on the best teenage skincare products. We understand that being a teenager can be stressful. While it's perfectly normal to feel worried or anxious at times, try to reduce stress when you can. Stress is known to cause acne or to flare and make it worse. Take up activities that can help you unwind, such as yoga, meditation, or even a daily run. Don't use toothpaste on your skin. If you read teenage magazines, you may have stumbled across home remedies to acne, such as using toothpaste as a pimple spot treatment. Yet, when you wake up the following day, you find toothpaste smeared on your pillow and your pimples still there. Apparently, the top process behind using toothpaste is the baking soda present in it helps calm pimples, but this is a definite no-no on every skincare routine for a teenager girl. Toothpaste has an insane level of pH, which can irritate healthy skin and lead to rashes and burning. It's simply too harsh to use on pimples. Thankfully, pimples patches are available today, which are much more effective at sucking all the junk out to your pimples. Practice to make up clean makeup habits. If you wear makeup, check if your makeup habits are effective infecting your skin. For instance, you should be regularly cleansing your makeup brushes to prevent the accumulation of oil, dirt, and bacteria. Also, you should never share your makeup with other people, especially lip and eye products. Pimples aren't contagious, but when you share makeup oil, dead skin cells and other acne causing bacteria can wind up in your makeup and your skin. These can clog and pores, cause acne. Most importantly, never go to bed without washing off your makeup. Leaving makeup on your face overnight will clog your pores and lead to breakouts. Keep it simple. Keeping your skin or care routine for teen simple ingredients wise is a safe approach. You minimize your exposure to potential bad reactions, and it's also easier to identify the ingredients that your skin loves. I hope you like my video. Please give me thumbs up and share it with your friends. Thank you.